Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Messenger and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger. And then you can update your app if you find the update here. So please don't forget to support us by liking.